It is my pleasure to welcome you to our first virtual open house. My name is Leighton Helwig and I am the head of school here at Faith Academy. I want to start by saying thank you so much for showing interest in Faith Academy and considering this as an option for the education of your children. As a head of school, I'm going to give you a brief introduction to Faith Academy, but to find out more information about each of the divisions, please watch the other videos that we've provided. Faith Academy has an amazingly rich heritage. God has blessed our school for over 60 years, and we've seen his faithfulness in so many different ways over that time. The school was founded by a consortium of mission organizations that had a vision to start a school for their children. And ever since the doors opened, Faith Academy has sought ways to support Great Commission work in Southeast Asia by providing an excellent education to our students. When we have visitors on our campus, they often comment about our amazing facilities. And it is true, God has blessed our school in so many ways, and we have a wonderful campus. The facilities, however, just reflect the well-rounded education that we provide our students. It's through the use of these facilities that our personnel provide an excellent education that fosters spiritual, academic, creative, and physical growth to our students, to prepare them for a rapidly changing world. Our mission at Faith Academy is to form Christ-like lifelong learners through a dynamic, relevant education, especially for the children of missionaries. And our vision statement is to see God's kingdom and the Great Commission advanced through transformative, Christ-centered education. That is what we look at, the lens through which we make decisions as a school, are our vision and our mission. And it's an amazing challenge to uphold that, but as the world changes, there will be many challenges our kids will face, and we want to prepare them for that. As a school, we're committed to providing a dynamic and relevant education that equips and prepares our students for life once they leave, and once they graduate. And we have also a passion to disciple our students, to really encourage them to live a life that honors God, to help them understand that Jesus endured the cross for them, to run with perseverance, to live a life of integrity. This is our purpose. This is why we exist as a school. It is also our goal to use our school to provide many different opportunities for students to grow into young adults who better understand how God made them and the gifts and the talents that they have, so that they can catch a vision for how God wants to use them to do his work. Also, being part of an international school, our students are exposed to different cultures, which equips them for this global environment to be a global citizen. All of these goals, the things I've mentioned, really are reflected in the core values that we have as a school. And these core values are excellence in education, Great Commission partnership, gospel integration, and multicultural community. You will see in the videos from our different divisions the way that these practically play out in the way we run our school. For me, one of the things that really drew me to Faith Academy is education, but also its focus on missions. The school's rich heritage in supporting missionaries in Asia creates a culture that is ministry-minded. So not only do we prioritize the education of our students, we also want to cultivate in them a desire to serve others and to spread the gospel. For me, it's also been a joy seeing my own children thrive in this environment. And I'm always so thankful that God continues to bring other families to our school, and our community is special. And we want to welcome you to Faith Academy. Please do not hesitate to reach out, ask questions. I wish we could all be sitting around together and you could ask those questions in person. But please do not hesitate to reach out. We are here for you, and we want to help you make the best decision possible for your children. Once again, thank you for attending our virtual open house.